The set 1, 2, 4, 7 to 14 is a group under multiplication modulo 15. Then the inverse of 4 and 7 are C 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13, 14. This is a set together with the operation multiplication modulo 15. Multiplication modulo 15. It is a group. Then what is the inverse of 4 and 7? Inverse means if 4 is multiplied with its inverse, let's say it is x, then the result should be 1. In the same way, if 7 is multiplied with its inverse, let's say it is y, then the result will be 1. Think if 4 is multiplied with 4 and modulus 15, result will be 16. 16 modulus 15 is equal to 1, so x is equal to 4, means inverse of 4 is 4 itself. Now if 13 is multiplied with 7, modulus 15 is equal to 13 7 91, modulus 15 15 6 is 90, so remainder is 1, hence value of y is 7. No, sorry, it is 13. 7 is this one, so y is 13. Answer is C.